Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn USDT in Binance for free. So first things first, if you don't have a Binance account, I'm going to leave the link in the description with a $100 bonus. So that's how you can earn a $100 bonus if you sign up through my link. So that's one way how you can earn USDT. Now, another option would be to go to your wallets and be on a spot option, click on USDT, and here you may find earn option. This is not on history, but at the top there should be earn USDT, and then you can stake it. If you don't see it like I do, you can go ahead and earn it by clicking on your profile icon and by clicking simple earn on recommended option. Now, here you will not find USDT probably, but you can go ahead and choose, for example, Pepe coin. You can go ahead and stake it, and once you will earn as much as you want, you then can go ahead and just swap it. So by choosing, for example, your Pepe coin, and then by swapping it and trading it right there on the spot and swapping it to USDT. So that's how you may earn it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.